Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add Tim Hortons card to your Apple Wallet. First of all, we need to go to the App Store and we need to search this app, which is called Card Manager Digital Wallet. So first of all, we need to install this app, and once the app will be installed, then we can open it. And then we need to click Add Card. Then we need to choose Store Card. Now in the search, we need to write Tim Hortons. And there are two versions of the card. The first one is USA version and second one is UK. So in this example, I will choose the first one. Then we need to fill the gaps. We can just simply scan the card or barcode by clicking this icon right here. Then click scan barcode or get barcode from photo, and it will activate your camera and you need to scan your card, guys. Or you can also enter the details manually. I will just write something, guys, to show you an example. So after we'll fill the gaps, then you need to click the save button right here. And here will be your card. Then you need to choose it and you need to click add to Apple Wallet. You can see the icon right here. So let's choose pass only. And then click add in the top right. And now you can check your Apple Wallet, go to your Apple Wallet, and right here you will see your Tim Hortons card. So that's all I want to show you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.